There's almost an endless list of ideas that you can use around your home to make your kitchen more functional, convenient, and a lot more attractive. Now this week we're looking at a lot of different types of kitchens and size kitchens to give you some of those ideas. Now we're right in the middle of a kitchen that was extensively remodeled a couple years ago, and the renovation included all new countertops, all new appliances, and all new manufactured cabinets. And because the homeowners chose to replace all the cabinets, they were able to choose exactly what they wanted and all the accessories that went into the cabinetry to make it a very functional kitchen. Now, it's also very organized. Look at some of the things they chose here. This is just a simple divided drawer for flatware. Pretty inexpensive, but certainly keeps things a little more organized. And then for the pots and pans, this is a pretty neat idea. Pegboard in the bottom of the drawer and the different little pegs that move around that will allow you to keep your pots and pans organized and they won't rattle around so much. Here's another kind of a specialized idea that the homeowners had, is to use this as a little baking sheet tray that rolls in and out so that you can see everything you have, but you can tuck it right out of the way. But something I'm seeing in a lot of kitchens, and I particularly like a lot, plate rack. And this one makes a lot of sense because it's located so close to the dishwasher. You finish washing the dishes, you take the plates out, slip them right in the rack. It looks good and it's very convenient the next time you need a plate. Now, I know a renovation like this can cost a lot of money, but you can still make some significant improvements to your kitchen and still stay on a budget.